Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe will be a country broiled chicken with corn on the cob and vegetable potato salad. In this pot I have 1 cup butter and half a cup of vegetable oil. I'll be adding a half a cup chopped onion, one teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon powdered ginger, 4 teaspoons salt, a 1/3 cup lemon juice, 2 medium cloves garlic crushed, 4 teaspoons granulated sugar, I'll be putting this on the stove and I'll melt the butter and the oil and cook all the ingredients in this pot. In this bowl I have 6 pounds chicken. That's a whole 6 pounds chicken chopped up. In this pot I got 4 eggs. This is one of them. This is 2. The rest are some other place. And I have 2 corn on the cob cut in halves, 4 pieces. I also got some pieces of Idaho potatoes. I'll be boiling all of these. The corn will be the corn on the cob. The eggs and the potatoes will be going in the potato salad. I also got some carrots which will also be cut up and put in the salad. Okay, the oven is 550 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the broiling temperature. And I have transferred the pieces of chicken to this pan. I'll be putting them in the oven now without marinade. After the first 15 minutes I'll remove them, marinate and turn them. Okay, I'm basting the chicken pieces for the first time. They'll be in the oven for 45 minutes and I'll be basting them every 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'll be basting for a second time now. Looking lovely, smelling lovely. How wonderful they look. Everything is coming on well. Nice. Okay, the potatoes and carrots and the eggs are cooked, and I'm dicing them up now. So like, we cut this one in two, like this, and then I cut it in small pieces. This potato salad is gonna be great. Like this, cut a piece of potato and you cut this in four. Okay, just like this, cut it in four pieces. Another piece, cut across like that, cut it like that, and you cut it in smaller pieces. Okay, for the potato salad, I have 2 pounds potatoes, boiled, chopped up, 1 tablespoon prepared mustard, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1.5 cups mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 medium stalk celery chopped, it's about 1 cup, 1 medium onion chopped, that's about 1/2 cup, 4 hard boiled cooked eggs, those are also chopped. All the vegetables and the eggs are in this bowl. Now, the mayonnaise, prepared mustard, the salt, and the vinegar are in this bowl. I mix them up. What I'll do now is pour them onto the vegetables and the eggs and stir them. Just like that. And after mixing this up, I'll refrigerate it for about 2 hours. That's for a better taste. How lovely it looks. It's ready for refrigeration now. Also, the chicken is ready. How lovely they look. Broiled chicken. All ready. So, after 2 hours, I'll be plating my dinner. I'll be using one of these tomatoes. I'll be making wedges out of it for the garnish. Okay, I'm back, and the country broiled chicken with corn on the cob and vegetable potato salad is finished. How lovely it looks, and I know it will be tasting delicious as I've plated mine. Wish you were here that I could share. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.